Hello there, this is GJH. I am back to Grizz Gaming Show, and feel like I'm sorry guys for not making the Grizz Gaming Show like 2 weeks ago because in the cold. I was sick, so now, and this is our last video because next week I'll be in the Bahamas. Oh yeah. So, yeah, one more thing. I'm sorry that I didn't make the Royal Rumble thing because I was in the cold too. So, now we're in the Marvel's Contest Champions and we are opening 24 clues. And I know because I got this is very awesome for the sharks because I never opened that kind before. So, let's start from the very bottom. Open up to crystals. So, it's about the whole thing. Oh my gosh. I really hate 1 stars. And okay, Taiwan Mutant Kylask. Okay, that bad. Okay. Oh yeah, I have a haircut today. So. Okay, let's open out the free crystals. Now, let's open 7. Alright. For level 1 health portion and 1,750 gold. Someone says who is a Broncos fan on the bottom. So, yeah, Quest Crystal is 1. I know that's weird. Okay. Small energy refill. Oh yeah, today is the Super Bowl for the 50th anniversary. Versus the Broncos versus the I don't know what other team was that. Are you a Broncos fan? Just put the comments below. Cause actually I'm a Broncos fan. So let's begin. 2-star crystal. Alright. Oh yeah, because this 3-star crystal shards was close to 2,000. Well, actually, I'm not actually that close. So, and okay, let's open out the lion's crystal. Okay. Okay, we got a duplicate. Wait, this is a little bit. This is messed up. How to the 55 3 shards? This game messed up. That is very messed up. So open up 4. I never got the units. 25,000 gold and when I was tier 3. Oh yeah, that's right. I love the shards because it gives me more stuffs. Oh yeah, let's open out 2. So let's open up 1. Gonna slide 1 up. I want on 4-star because I never got it for months now. Okay, calculation, 40, 42, boom, come on. Okay, I need that for. Okay, 2-star Iron Fist versus a duplicate. Okay, slide it up. I really love the design because a little flaming orange, there's blue, red. Yes. Whoa! Oh, Joel Vixie? Whoa, 4-star. Okay. Ooh, darn it. Alright, Winter Soldier. Okay. Got okay. 110. 3-star Hero Crystal Swords. Now we can go to the Premium Hero Crystal. Oh, I want more. The other one. Okay. Crystal one up. Okay. This is the last fight now. Alright. Alright. 4, 3, 2, 1. Boom. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Yes! Deadpool X-Force! Oh my gosh! Oh yay! Oh my gosh, this is amazing! Oh my god, this is so amazing! I can't believe this! Okay, so open out the 4. Oh my gosh. I'm really so excited. Oh my gosh. 3-star X-Force Deadpool. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. Wait. I still have a chance at 3-star. Hold up. Oh my gosh, 3-star. This is amazing. That is amazing. Yes. Another chance to get another one. Another chance to get another one. New. Yes! 3-star Cinematic Spider-Man. Yes. 2 new 3-star characters. Yes. Oh my gosh. This is amazing. Greatest Gaming Show returns with a new day. It's a new day. So please leave a comment and subscribe for more. GGH out.